This is Wale Owie with Godbrand Games. DBA for software will probably be Godbrand, just Godbrand. This is a Python variable swap tutorial, because if you're not careful, you might only just swap one variable instead of the desired two, and you can swap 3 as well. And I'll show you that as well. I don't think there's a limit on how many variables you can swap in Python, but I haven't bumped into it. And the script's on my GitHub. So, just funny, because now we're doing coding tutorials and we've been coding for so long. Alright, so here's the first variable, QB1, passes jersey number 12. QB number 2 is 7 after. And what's important here, of course, you probably know how to print out variables, values. So what's important here is the swap. It's the placement. So whatever they are in the beginning of the placement, that's on the right side of the equal sign is what the value will be going forward. So QB number 1 going forward be QB2. What is the value for that instant? And QB number 2 will be QB number 1 from here on out. So when I print it out, let's see. I don't know any good quarterback numbers right now, but 10 and 5 to show you it's a new one. So you were wearing 10, now you're wearing 5. QB number 1 is now wearing 5. QB number 10 is now wearing that. So QB number 2 is now wearing 10. I did a bad swap to see what you would do if you just didn't know how to swap variables right here. This is just, so whatever's on the left is just going to take the value of whatever on the right, but the value on the right, it just has no reason to change in this language, at least. So it doesn't. Let's see. Let's just make a new one. Alright, so bad is right here. So number 99 is supposed, how come there's 9,999s? Just because the swap didn't go successfully, or at least for our case. Right, I assigned the value up here. So here's where 99 is assigned, and it should be 9924, right? But not 9,999. I apologize. But yeah, so here's a 3 variable example. Let's use coaches as an example, because this is, I don't know, easy to remember. So here are current coaches in their positions. And then after the swap, here they are in their new positions. You see the swap here, the same thing's important. Location. Wherever they are on the left, now on the right side is what they'll be going forward. So the head coach is now OC, head coach is now, or the OC is now the head coach. And the defensive coach stays the defensive coach. And you see how the order, here I put defensive coach in the middle, printing it out. If you're in a big corporation or something, I can assume like this list and the orders, like, it's probably changed all the time. So I wouldn't count on your I'll count on your own print statements, but definitely like the way to remember, I would think, would be just whatever your placement is on the left. Now going forward, on the right side of the equal sign. So I guess just for our example, we can change this to make sure that it's still working. I'm not, I don't know, snake oil salesman or something. So SB and it could be I. And scroll down. Shazam, head coach. Alright, well, like and subscribe. More Python tutorials coming, database stuff coming, and probably Python web development coming. I think that's where I'm going to go with it, but with data, of course, so it'll still be applicable probably with whatever you do. Thanks for watching.